Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard mathematics, chapter fraction. First we'll see the definition of fraction. Fraction means a number representing part of whole. In short, we can say part of whole. Now we will see what is fraction. Now here I drawn a circle and divide the circle into 8 equal parts. We assume that you are celebrating your birthday and you call your friends for your birthday. You invite your friends for birthday. So what you will do? You will bring the cake. After bringing the cake, you are going to give one cake to everyone? No, it's not happens. So no one is going to give one cake to one students. So what you will do? You will make some slices of the cake. After making that slice, you will give one slice to each one. So suppose you given this one slice to your friend. So how many parts are there of this cake here? Here we divide this circle into 8 parts, means 8 slice. So we assume it is a cake. So out of this 8 slice, you given one slice to your friend. That is 1. Out of how many slice? 8 slice. So here the 1 is a numerator and the 8 is a denominator. It means that you given 1/8 part of the cake to your one of the friend. So when one part is given, so how many parts are left? 7 parts are left. Out of how many parts? Are there? There are or total 8 parts were there. Out of that you given one part. So how much is left? 7 parts. Again the 7 is a numerator and 8 is a denominator. This fraction you given to your one friend and this fraction is left with you. So 1 is a numerator, 8 is a denominator, 7 is a numerator, 8 is a denominator. It means upper number is numerator and down number is denominator. Now this is called the fraction. Now we will see type of fraction. In type of fraction, first we are going towards the proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction means we have a numerator and a denominator. In proper fraction, if you see here, 4/5 I written, 4 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. Here, 3 is a numerator, 4 is a denominator. If you see, numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. It means that in proper fraction, always the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Now we will see improper fraction. Now what is improper fraction? Here I given a fraction 5/4 and 9/5. If you see here, 5 is a numerator, 4 is a denominator. And here 9 is a numerator, 5 is a denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Here also numerator is greater than the denominator. It means always in improper fraction, numerators are greater than the denominator. That type of fraction is called improper fraction. Now the next one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means whole number and a part. 3 is a whole and 1/2 is a part. When these two together will come, that is called a mixed fraction. Here I written 5 whole number and 1/4 is a part. So 5 1/4. So this type of fractions are called the mixed fraction. Now we will see the like fraction. What is like fraction? In like fraction we require minimum 2 fractions. Here I taken 3/4 and 5/4. The second one I taken here 7/10 and 8/10. So here in the first one 3/4 and 5/4, both the denominators are same. When both the denominators are same, that is called like fraction. Here also if you see 7/10 and 8/10, again here both the denominators are same. When denominators are same, so we can say that is a like fraction. Now we will see the next one is a unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Here I written 3/4 and 2/5. Again we require 2 fractions for unlike fraction also. So 3/4 and 2/5. If you see here, the denominators are different. When the denominators are different, so that is called unlike fraction. Here is one more example, 7/3 and 8/5. Again, here the denominator is 3 and here the denominator is 5. Both are different. So this is unlike fraction. So this type of fractions are called unlike fraction. Now we will see addition of like fraction. Addition of like fraction. First one, here I written 3 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7. Here the denominator are same. So it is a like fraction. So when the denominators are same, so we cannot do anything to the denominator. Denominator will be right as it is, and only you have to add the numerator. So numerator is here what? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and denominator as it is. So the answer 3 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 is equal to 8 upon 7. Here we will see second example. I written here 12 upon 4 plus 6 upon 4. Again the denominators are same. So what you have to be do? Denominator as it is. Now only you have to be add the numerator. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 upon 4. So 18 upon 4 is the answer of 12 upon 4 plus 6 upon 4. But the 18 upon 4, again it is going to be reduced. Reduce means it is going to divide by the 2. Both the numbers are divided by the 2. When both the numbers divided by any number, that you have to be reduced to the lowest form. So here we are doing the lowest form. So this will become in a 2 9s, and this will come in a 2 2s. So 18 upon 4 when you reduce, the answer is 9 upon 2. Actually, the answer of this question is 9 upon 2. Now we will see addition of. Now we will see addition of unlike fraction. So please pay attention here. In addition of unlike fraction, it is little bit different. Here I written 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. If you see denominators are different, so that's why they are unlike fraction. So what we have to be do when the unlike fraction additions are there? For that, you have to find the LCM of the both the denominator. When you find the LCM of 3 and 7, you will get the LCM 21. I written here 21. You also write the 21 here. Whatever the LCM, that we have to be right. After writing the LCM, this 21, first you have to divide by the 3. When you divide 21 to 3, you will get the answer 7. Why 7? Because when I divide 21 to 3, the answer will become 7. That 7 number, you have to multiply with this numerator. Here is 2. 7 2s are what? 14. So I written here 14. After that, you have to divide this 21 with this 7. So when you divide this 21 with 7, you will get the answer 3. So that 3 you have to multiply with this numerator. So 3 1s are 3. After writing, we get here 14 plus 3 plus, here is plus, that's why I put it here plus. So 14 plus 3 upon 21. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17 and 21 as it is. So the answer of this 17 upon 21. Now we will see second example. You will understand now easily. Here I taken a mixed fraction. When mixed fraction is given, so what to do now? See. Here I taken 4 2 upon 3 plus 3 1 upon 4. First, this mixed fraction you have to convert into fraction. How to convert now? This denominator multiply with this whole number. So 4 3 is a 12. 4 3 is a 12. Afterwards, this numerator you have to be add. So 12 plus 2, 14. I written here 14. Plus as it is, and this 3 as it is. Now here 4 3 is a 12. 12 plus 1 13. I written here 13, and this 4 I written here as it is. Now we get here 14 upon 3 plus 13 upon 4. Now if you see this, both the denominators are different, so you have to find the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is what? 12. After you getting the LCM 12, you have to write here. Now this 12 you have to divide with this 3. When you divide this 12 with 3, you will get the answer 4. That 4 you have to multiply with 14. So 14 4s are, or 4 14s are. 14 4s are how much? 56. I written here 56. Plus as it is. Now this 12 you have to divide by this 4. When I divide 12 to 4, we will get the answer 3. So you have to 3 multiply with this 13. So 13 3s are 39. So what is our now? 56 plus 39 upon 12. 56 plus 39 when you add, you will get the answer 95. And 12 as it is. So the answer of this question is 95 upon 12. Now we will see one more example of addition. Unlike fraction addition. Here I given 1 upon 3 plus 3, 2 upon 5. Again it is a mixed fraction, convert into fraction. 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. I written here 4, 3 as it is, plus as it is. Now again here 3 upon 2, 3, 2 upon 5, 5, 3 is a 15, 15 plus 2, 17. I written here 17 and 5 as it is. Now we get 4 upon 3 plus 17 upon 5. Again this 3 and 5 are different. So what we have to do? Again we have to find the LCM of 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is what? 15. I written here 15. After writing the 15, this 15 divided by this number. When you divide 15 with a 3, you will get the answer 5. That 5 you have to multiply with this number 4. So 4 5s are how much? 20. So I written here 20 plus as it is. Now 15 divided by 5, you have to divide this 15 to 5. You will get answer 3. When you get answer 3, that 3 you have to multiply with this numerator. Here is a 17. So 17 3 is how much? 51. I written here 51. So 20 plus 51 is 71 and 15 as it is. The answer is 71 upon 15. Now we will see the subtraction of like fraction. In subtraction of like fraction, I taken here 16 upon 5 minus 7 upon 5. When the both denominators are same, so that is called a like fraction. So this 5 as it is, as we see in addition, no changes there. Denominator as it is. Now 16 minus 7 is equal to 9 and 5. So 9 upon 5 is the answer. Now second example I taken here, 12 upon 7 minus 6 upon 7. Both the denominators are same. So 7 here as it is. You have to only subtract 12 minus 6. That is equal to how much? 6. So the answer is 6 upon 7. Now we will see the subtraction of unlike fraction. Here I given an example 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. If you see 3 and 2, both the denominators are different. So first you have to find the LCM of these two. So the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. I written here 6. Now after writing the LCM, this LCM you have to divide with this denominator. So you will get the answer what? 2. That 2 you have to multiply with this numerator means 4. 4 2s are 8. Here is minus. That's why you have to put here minus. After that, this 6 again you have to divide with this 2. When you divide this 6 to 2, you will get a answer 3. That 3 multiply with a 1. So when I multiply with a 3, we will get a answer 3. Now here 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 and 6 as it is. Here one more example. I taken here mixed fraction 4 2 upon 5 minus 2 1 upon 6. Again this is a mixed fraction. So we have to convert into the fraction first here. How to convert? This denominator multiply with this whole number. When you multiply this denominator 5 to the whole number 4, you will get a 20. This 20 adding to this numerator, that is called 2. 20 plus 2, 22. I written 22. And this 5 as it is 5. Now here is minus. I put it here minus. Now this again mixed fraction convert into fraction. This is 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus this one 13. So I written here 13 and this 6 as it is. Now if you see here again 5 and 6 denominators are different. When denominators are different, you have to find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 5 and 6? The LCM of 5 and 6 is what? 30. So I written here 30. Now what we have to do? This 30 divided by this 5. So when you divide this 30 with 5, you will get the answer 6. That 6 you have to multiply with this 22. Here I shown in a rough work 22 multiplied by 6. The answer is 132. Here you have to write 132. And here is minus as it is minus. Again this 30 divided with this 6. So you will get answer 5. This 5 you have to multiply with this 13. Again I shown in the rough work 13 5s are 65. So here I written 65 and minus as it is minus. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract this 132 minus 65. As I shown here 132 minus 65. The answer is 67. So I written here that 67 and 30 as it is. So the answer of this question is 67 upon 30. Thank you.